Hello and welcome back to Jakubication. Today you're going to learn about file I/O in Python. Files are a way of storing information that doesn't get deleted when the program is done running. Writing to a file. With open file.txt w as file. This opens file.txt in W or write mode, gives you a file variable named file, and ensures that file.txt will be closed once the code block is done. Not closing your file is normally one of the biggest sins in programming, but with open avoids ever having to worry about that. W mode example, with open nums.txt w as file. File.write1, with open nums.txt w as file. File.write2. Subsequent opens in W or write mode will delete previous data. Nums.txt will only contain 2 after that second write. A mode, with opens num.txt a as file. Make it so subsequent opens won't delete file data. The A stands for append, so you're appending to the file. Introduces a new problem. New lines aren't added automatically when you use the write method. A mode example. You write 1 and 2, and then in the file it will just be 1 right next to 2 and no new lines. Newline Fix. To fix the new line problem, there are 2 possible solutions. Add a new line to your string in the write method, file.write1 \n. Provide the string as an argument to print and specify your file variable as the value of the file parameter. Print 1 file equals file. Reading from a file. Get data back from a file. When doing the with open, you can specify R but don't have to. File reading, example 1. Write 1, 2, and 3 to the file, and then open it back up. Lines equals file.readLines, 4 line of lines, print line.rstrip. That's just stripping off the new line. Example 2. Don't do anything with read lines, 4 line and file, print out the line. The 2 examples accomplish the same end goal but differ in one critical way. Read lines reads every line of the file into memory all at once to put them into a list. On a larger file, that one line of code could be really slow or make you run out of memory. Takeaway. If your file's on the larger side, consider avoiding using the readlines method. It may just come up in a coding interview one day. Ciao.